boss, in the spirit of Christmas, dahil nga 34 days to go na lang, tutukan natin ang isang ginanap na event, ang Christmas tree lighting na sinamahan pa ng isang kakaiba na Thai dance dito sa Dusit Thani Hotel. Tutukan natin ito sa ating special feature.
Santa Claus, Christmas carols, and lanterns. Yan ang karaniwang nakikita natin sa maraming Christmas lighting activity. Pero sa lugar na aming pinuntahan, isang naibang performance ang aming nasaksihan. Isang traditional Thai candle dance na kung tawagin ay Pauchan ang naging highlight ng kanilang lighting event, na sinabayan pa ng performances ng dalawang balerino mula sa Ballet Philippines at Philippine Philharmonic Orchestra. Taon-taon ay nakasanayan na ng karamihan ng mga nasa pribadong institusyon na magsagawa ng iba't ibang programa para sa ikaliligaya ng kanilang mga regular customers.
It was a traditional Thai dance, a combination candle dance and traditional Thai dancing. This season in Thailand is Loi Krathong, which is a season of also giving, and so we thought it would be very apt to start our Christmas tree lighting ceremony.
Nagdadaos din sila ng iba pang mga pakulo at proyekto kaugnay sa panahon ng Kapaskuhan.
We have a fabulous season of events coming up. It starts on the 8th and 9th of December, where we have a great play called The Elephant Man, which will be running in our brand new poolside pavilion, and we encourage everybody to come down and watch that. And each day we'll be having a different celebrity who will be coming and reading a different children's story.
Pero sa kabila na nagagandahang mga dekorasyon at masasayang selebrasyon, hindi pa rin nila ay sinasantabi ang tunay na diwa ng Kapaskuhan.
I think this year with the recent events in Tacloban and the Eastern Visayas, that becomes even more prevalent, and we certainly as a hotel and as part of this community in Makati want to show our support and solidarity to our fellow Filipinos.